Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews and insights into the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the best hanging room divider panels you can get your hands on, the 6-panel room divider from Gaildon. If you're in need of a stylish, portable, and practical way to divide a room for privacy or decoration, this could be exactly what you're looking for. At 200 inches wide and 71 inches high, this room divider is designed to create an effective barrier in any space. Whether you need to separate areas in your home office, living room, or even a bedroom, this divider has you covered. Made from high-quality 300 grams polyethylene fabric, it provides complete privacy, ensuring that you won't have to worry about being seen through. The material is not only opaque but also durable, offering long-lasting performance. The frame of this room divider is constructed from powder-coated iron, making it rust-resistant and enhancing its longevity. One of the standout features of this room divider is how easy it is to set up. It's portable and foldable, which means you can move it from one place to another with ease. Whether you need a quick setup for a private study area or a temporary partition for guests, this divider is ideal. It's lightweight enough to handle with ease, but still sturdy enough to stand firm when in use. Plus, with its wrinkle-free fabric, you don't have to worry about ironing or maintaining its appearance. This room divider is a versatile option for almost any space. Whether it's a living room, office, bedroom, or even a hospital room, its modern design ensures it blends well with any decor. The black color gives it a sleek, professional look, but if you're looking for something else, it's also available in white and gray to suit different tastes. Now, one of the biggest concerns with room dividers is installation, but with this Gaildon 6-panel room divider, that's not a problem. The package includes all the necessary accessories, and it's easy to assemble following the included directions or installation video. If you run into any issues, customer support is available to help you out. At 34.5 pounds, this is a substantial but manageable option for anyone who needs a room divider that's both sturdy and easy to move. Whether you're setting it up for privacy, as a partition for different activities, or as an attractive decorative feature, this room divider is a top contender. If you're looking for a cost-effective and stylish way to create separate spaces in your home or office, the Gaildon 6-panel room divider should definitely be on your list. It's the perfect combination of practicality, durability, and design that will enhance any room while giving you the privacy and separation you need.